Welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this cute little granny square heart. You can see the heart in it. For this you'll require two color wool and a crochet hook and a pair of scissors. You will start with a slip knot and 4 chain. You're going to make a slip stitch and join your 4 chain together, the last one and the first one. You will make 3 chain. This counts as your first double crochet, and then you're going to make 2 double crochets into your circle, followed by 3 chain, and you will make this is your first 3 double crochet cluster. You need to make 3 more and 3 more sets of 3 chain, and I'll meet you right back here. So you would have done your 4 clusters and your 4 sets of 3 chain, and you're going to join it to the top of your 3rd chain right here. You will now make 3 chain, which counts as your first double crochet, and 1 chain. And you're going to make a corner. A corner is 3 double crochets, 3 chain, and 3 double crochets. You will repeat this in each and every corner. In between is a chain 1. So it's chain 1, your space, chain 1, your space, and I'm going to meet you once you're done with your 3rd one. Now you would have done your 3 spaces, did your chain 1. Into the last corner you will make 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, then 3 chain, then you'll make 2 double crochets. The first 3 chain you made, join into the top 3 chain. That's where we're at. For row 3, chain 3, make 2 double crochets in the space. Now you need to change to a different color yarn. I'm going to use this color, so this will be color A. Here's color B. I'm going to change to color B. Leave a long enough tail at the back. Chain 1 and make your corner. The same corner that we made on row 2, you'll make on row 3, which is 3 double crochets, 3 chain, and 3 double crochets. Don't forget, at any time you can stop this video, you can press pause, or you can slow it down. Chain 1. Turn your work and cut your blue thread. Leave a long enough tail. Make a knot on both, using both ends. This is just to secure it. And you can now we need blue for this part here. So I'm going to put blue on. And in this space, I'm going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and make your corner, the exact same corner that we used in row 2. Do the same thing. 3 double crochets, 3 chain, and 3 double crochet. And you're going to chain 1. You need to change again to your next color and make 3 double crochet in that space, the chain 1 space, chain 1, and we're going to change color again. Right, for your corner, you would have changed your color back to your primary color or color A, and you will make your corner again. 3 double crochets, 3 chain, followed by 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets. And we are done with color A. At this stage, you can cut the tail. I'm also going to cut pink. And now we're just going to finish the rest of this in pink. You're going to make your last corner in color B. Which is 3 double crochets, 3 chain, and 3 double crochets. Chain 1, top of chain 3 of your cluster, slip stitch, chain 3. For your last row, you would have made your chain 3, chain 1 more. In every 1 chain space, you're going to make a 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 1. You're going to make your corner, which is 3 double crochets. 3 chain, 3 double crochets. 1 chain. While you're working this row, you can also work in your tails at the same time. The choice is yours. Alternatively, you can work your tails when you are completely done with your project. In your chain 1 space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space, 1 chain space. Chain 1, make your corner. You're going to continue that until you are at this corner here where I will meet you. You would have done all your corners. Chain 1, in this space here, make 2 double crochet. And you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Cut your yarn. Work your tail away. This is the back. This is the front. When you try this, please tag me in your video. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. Like, comment, subscribe, all of the above. But most importantly, when you try it, please let me know by tagging me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll get you in the next video.